model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 290 Trends Super Rare Factory Crew Cab High Top No Vat. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 151274. MOT, the 12th of April 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, mechanically sound, fully working with no warning lights on the dash. The engine and gearbox are in great shape, ready to be driven away and put straight to work. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows, cruise control. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact us,